stream. Today marks a significant milestone for us as we celebrate the official launch of the V3 Mono on Kickstarter. Following the release of the V3 stereo amp, we've listened carefully to feedback from our audiophile community. Your invaluable insights have led to major advancements that shaped the V3 Mono you see today. We want to express our deepest gratitude for your continued support and attention. Let's dive into what makes the V3 Mono a breakthrough in sound technology. Remember, if you are interested in this campaign, please click the link below to our Kickstarter page. Also, we would love to make this interactive and fun, so please feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the chat section. Let's begin now. First up, let's talk about a groundbreaking feature in the V3 Mono, the post-filter feedback technology. This innovative technology tackles the long-standing challenge of load dependency in Class V amplifiers. What does this mean for you? It means that the V3 Mono delivers significantly improved distortion levels, linearity, and frequency response. The result is a purer sound quality and enhanced system efficiency, ensuring that every note is delivered with clarity and precision. This is just one of the ways the V3 Mono sets itself apart in delivering superior audio performance. Next, let's explore the impressive power capabilities of the V3 Mono. Used with a 48 volts 5 amps power supply, this amp boasts a rated power output of 240 watts into 4 ohms. This is sufficient to drive most passive speakers without concern. Besides, the V3 Mono's zero crosstalk ensures a more precise soundstage. Imagine incorporating 2 or more compact all-aluminum powerhouses into your audio setup. It's designed to deliver strong, high-quality sound while maintaining a sleek, space-efficient profile that complements any room. Next, let's delve into what makes the V3 Mono truly exceptional: its premium internal components. At the heart of the V3 Mono, it's the Texas Instruments TPA3255 chip behind the heatsink, complemented by the NE5532 op amps for robust performance. This amplifiers also features high-grade components like Japanese Nichicon 63-2200 microfarads filtering caps, Sumida's audio inductors, Wimmer caps from Germany, and Elna caps from Japan. An NTC thermistor is also included to ensure stability and purity of sound. These components work in harmony to deliver an audio output that is both stable and pristine. Additionally, let's refine the explanation of the V3 Mono's optimal use scenarios. The V3 Mono, a monoblock power amplifier, is a versatile choice suitable for various setups, from enhancing your desktop audio system for music to becoming an integral part of a home theater system. It truly excels in home theater applications, unlocking its full potential to deliver superior sound. For users facing issues with their home audio-video receivers, such as insufficient power or inadequate cooling, integrating the V3 Mono as a supplementary power amp provides a powerful solution, effectively enhancing the overall system performance. We'll be demonstrating its impact on a stereo system shortly, showing just how transformative this amp can be. Let's move on with the introduction first. Now, let's take a closer look at the V3 Mono's input and output options. On the rear panel, you will find an RCA input connection, located above which is the switch for selecting between 25 decibels and 31 decibel gain settings to suit user preferences. The amplifier also features an XLR balanced input and supports 1/4 TRS input, with input mode selection easily managed via a switch on the front panel. For output, the V3 mono is designed for a single channel speaker setup. Let's not overlook the V3 mono's adaptable op-amp design. Here, the circuit board is equipped with two NE5532 op-amps that can be swapped out for any other Type A dual discrete op-amps based on personal preference. We'll be demonstrating this feature later. Additionally, the circuit board features a 4-layer design, enhancing the stability and purity of the audio output. We have also introduced an auto power mode for the first time in our amplifiers. Right here. In this mode, if no signal is detected for 10 minutes, the V3 mono will automatically enter standby mode to save energy and will reactive upon detecting a signal, combining convenience with energy efficiency. Next, let's examine the V3 mono's cooling design, which, like the ZA3, features an upgrade approach to heat dissipation. The sides of the unit are perforated and include dust filters to protect the internal components. With the amp chip positioned at the bottom and the heatsink closely attached to the chassis, it enables heat to be conducted throughout the entire enclosure. This design ensures that even under prolonged high load conditions, the V3 mono maintains stable performance. Here's an exciting update to help you guys save space. We're now offering a 48 volts 10 amps power supply as an option. This robust power source is capable of powering two V3 mono amplifiers simultaneously through a power splitter cable. This means more efficiency and less clutter in your setup, making it easier to enjoy great sound without taking up too much space. Last would be the specs for the V3 mono, many of which we've touched on throughout our discussion. You can refer to these details as needed. Now, let's move on to the most exciting part of our session, the live demonstration. We'll see the V3 mono in action, giving you a real sense of its performance and capabilities. Stay tuned. Let's get ready for a live demo of the V3 mono in a stereo listening setup. This section will highlight how effectively the V3 mono can handle detailed stereo soundscapes, providing an enriching and immersive audio experience. We're excited to show you its performance capabilities with a setup designed to mimic an ideal home listening environment. Let's get started. Take out the speaker cables first. Plug them in. Next, take out your audio source. Using an RCA cable to connect it to the V3 monos. And last would be the power supply. Alright, make sure the power are turned to off. And now we're ready for some fun. So I'm going to choose a piece of music. And remember, we need to lower the volume on the audio source since we don't have a volume control on the V3 mono. Alright. Turn the toggle to auto or on, and let's make some noise. Alright, I'm going to control the volume on the audio source. And you can adjust the gain according to your preference. We offered a 25 decibels and 31 decibels gains here. Take a look on the front. Stop here. Power off. That's what they brought to the table. We hope you were able to appreciate the depth and clarity that the V3 monos bring to a stereo setup. As you can hear, the amps deliver a rich, detailed audio experience, making it a perfect choice for anyone looking to enhance their home audio system. If you have any questions about what you've just heard, feel free to ask in the chat. Next, we're going to demonstrate how to roll the op amps in the V3 mono, but I need to get rid of these cables first. Alright. Just hang on. Alright. I will roll the op amps in the V3 mono with the Sparkles SS3602. Ensure you have the necessary tools. Here we have a hex, screwdriver, and tweezers. First, remove the screws from the rear panel and the bottom of the V3 mono 1, 2, 3, and 4 to access the main board over here. I will show you how to carefully extract and replace the op amps to enhance the amplifier's sound quality. Pay close attention as the orientation of the new op amps is crucial for proper installation. I'm going to put them aside. Alright, get the tweezers. Gently hold it and pull it out. And again. And we get the new op amps. Oh, we need to pay attention to the orientation. We need to make sure that the mark or the semicircle, circle, or the number 1 align with the semicircle on the PCB. That's it. The mark is here, and the semicircle on the circuit board. Alright, secured. Take a look. That's how you replace the op amps in the V3 mono. Remember, aligning the new op amps correctly with the semicircle on the PCB is vital to prevent any damage. After securing the new op amps, briefly connect the power and speaker wires to test if the sound output is normal. If everything sounds great, reassemble the case. This upgrade can significantly refine your audio output, ensuring you get the most from your V3 mono. Alright, going to put it back. And that wraps up our in-depth look at the V3 mono. If you are intrigued by what you've seen and would like to support our project or discover more, please visit our crowdfunding page through the link provided below. We offer a variety of purchasing options tailored to your needs and have prepared numerous exciting rewards to thank our supporters. Thank you so much for joining us today. We're excited to share this journey with you and look forward to bringing you even more innovative products. Stay tuned for future updates and special offers. Your support and feedback are invaluable to us as we continue to develop top-notch audio solutions. That will be all today. See you next time. Bye-bye.